Or just even, oh, you talked about already. You said, you've been on the PTR yesterday.
Yeah, PTR is fucking shit for warriors, mate.
It's all supposed to be like crap.
You're gonna be alive, James, don't worry. Pow.
What the hell, you getting owned by a pet?
James.
Can't hear you.
James.
No, wait, some retards are recording. Go away to
Just fucking put him on mute. James.
I just did.
Why, finally, stop wanking, fuck's sake.
What the heck is that?
What the?
Member left.
What the hell is that?
It wouldn't be me, I don't think.
I don't know how I've... Well, guess what?
We can't die! We can't.
Someone, like, guess one's come in the channel.
Yeah, okay.
I'm the cat kicker, and he's been a dick. That's really annoying.
I don't want to sell it.
Adam, can you kick guest as recording?
What?
Recording.
Switched channel. Switched channel. You were kicked from the server.
Not really, not if you use it right.
He shot at me 4 times. He netted me before he came up to me and killed me.
Bloody
What's
hell.
that?
I have no idea.
What's that? Oh,
We'll see,
might
let's
be
see.
envy. Might be envy.
That's a new player's joined. I'll check.
Oh.
They seem to only speak in Morse code or something. Let's have a look.
Do you guys hear that noise? Guys, who is this guy?
You were kicked from the server. Link engaged. You were kicked from the server. Link engaged.
He keeps coming back.
You were kicked from the server. Link engaged. Member left. You were kicked from the server. Link engaged.
Actually, you can just leave him in here. We can just manually mute him.
I got an idea.
You were kicked from the server. Link engaged.
Just leave him in.
Channel. Member left. Switched channel.
What's his problem?
Switched channel. Switched
Him.
channel.
Yeah, he's muted. Guys, just mute him.
He's just trying to be a butthole.
I can't ban him.
Off my rides. That was cool.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
Yeah. That noise, somebody logged in and they got a horrible noise.
Is that a frost over that you're riding?
Yeah. Swift Frost. Whoever that is, you need to go into your sound setting and adjust your volume and adjust your activation, your voice activation. Forget which one it is. Dude, kill the music. Don't kill the music. I'm fixing to make you go bye-bye.